Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if many of the pan and beatings can't see. Pan on the screen, a whole lot is going on in dancehall, my people. Me not gonna tell you the lie. We just want to kick it off with Kizzy and Kiprich and say condolences goes out to baby Miracle. It's being brought to our attention that she had passed away. Listen, man, I say, and you know, it's just the other day she born, I think January 16th, and we're like in January 29th, Listen, man, I say, so condolences to them once again. They didn't break the news on their platform. It was brought to the world via the Observer. You see, man, I said, they said a family member confirmed to them earlier today on Thursday. Come and check them page to see what's going on because the GoFundMe is still up. So I'm gonna say, is this really a real story or not, but I don't think the Observer would put out fake business. As you can see, this is the news article right here. You know what I mean? The only thing I see posted up in Kizzy story, I saw him cooking in Colombia business. You know what I mean? I'm not going to read the article out for you because them never tell how the baby passed. But we know the baby born 1.5 pounds and was in incubator, ICU, and all of these things for being preemie. I said, man, some of people putting out the comment section what you think about that. And you know the haters, them, the pocket watchers, them is say, them have to send back the GoFundMe, and all of these things. But wow, this is my say. Miss Chin is saying that no baby never did it to begin with, and I'm gonna get tricked again and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? So I'm pretty sure she's ecstatic of the news. You see me, even though she said she not wish no bad upon nobody and all of these things, but you know what time it is. Listen, I said these are the posts that she was saying that, wanna get prank again and all of these things. You see me, I said. But I'm just giving a quick update. Well, go on for that. Go on, you see me? Yeah. Now, the next trending topic I see coming out of dancehall, Jamaica have to deal with Fantastic Four because, whoa, them bottom business just get exploded. You see, I say, as you can see on the screen, Akeem Brethren saying all of this stuff about Nicholas being, Akeem's defender and all of this stuff. And no, Nicholas is coming out confirming that him and Akeem is indeed close. Him say Akeem is not a fish, obviously, because, he mix with woman and all them things there, you see me say. But he is confirming that they are indeed close because in my Pupa. And as you can see, again, the friend said Nicholas and Snow is using Akeem to clean card and all of this stuff. But yeah, Ivany come out and bust up them bottom business wicked. So Nicholas is saying, yo, $2 million if Ivany can provide proof Akeem did in a birthday party and things. So let's take a listen to what I'm going for to go on, because figure it out there a ball and I try to distract from the facts. Man, I come out and say them and them pooper and all them stuff. You see me?
Yeah, Nicholas, me and you are talking, because me have sense and me have answer for everything. Me and you talk now.
Yeah, you Tiki? Tiki. So, Akeem and Rose. Oh no, Akeem, I'm talk about Oigo. Because I can't defend him saying about him, man. Akeem is my son. When me know Akeem, Latisha my daughter, Akeem my son. Now listen to me carefully.
But the man Latisha left, so
left. Akeem, remember me know Akeem watched in ears, right? Remember me know everybody who him there with the girl him everybody. Akeem never ever play with a man.
The other know that.
Tiki. When I was talking on the phone with Jay and Akeem, everything planned between Rose and Daima and them.
If somebody come after me head.
Listen to me, come with the proof. When you come with the proof, then we talk.
Good.
See, no proof, no farmer.
As I'm saying.
nobody now cause Ivany come a class girl pan Ivany come this up the blood clot girl. Ivany no say one blood clot reduce. Ivany fi know she get your back.
That's not pay Ivany no mind. So what on there? In the wait name there. Destiny the live now sub.
Looks a lock off the comment.
Yes, sub.
So cause they still can't type. Lock off it blood clot, then can't type.
At the end of the day, Destiny, as what I said to you, niece, if she can, I want Ivany to come with a proof. Ivany, Ivany at 2 million.
The amount of party when me going to Jamaica, I never see Akeem there. Never. The amount of party.
Destiny. She said Akeem in my party. You want to say like Chatel? Because in that the Akeem and Latricia, they are Barbados. Latricia did that wait him. You go work on it. A lifestyle blood clot tell. So that's why I said I should show me the proof when Akeem was in my party.
Go to
She said he was in the party.
Angel like.
So she can't show the proof, Angel, why he was in the party. Don't come and talk things that doesn't make any sense. Okay. Akeem never fuck.
Oh.
What's the proof? I don't understand. What is the proof? Ivany 2 million, you know? 2 million. Ivany 2 million.
Swiss, come on, come tell life and Swiss like Batty man, she can't show no proof. And people are walking along and believe everything what you say.
The Angel, you have to
she always do.
Ivany 2 million. Angel, how much? 2 million. More to the proof. Until I say, if I can't answer the proof, Ivany, no, I tell you the truth. Me personally, I make man beat Ivany. I go bust up Ivany below clot. I'm sure. Just what she call my name, just how she mentioned my name was down, I mean, say man go beat Ivany. Someone on the record this. Me have said man go bust up Ivany below clot.
Let's say Auntie, but make it happen, my dear. Come know.
Ivany made the wrong Batty man never play with. Ivany,
Auntie, just leave him. Auntie, but make it happen, Auntie, please. My auntie Trevor,
no, she never fuck with me. Ivany, remember you get beaten already in Jamaica, me.
My auntie never do it, please. Jesus
Ivany, me beat the local. Ivany, me beat the local. Me beat the international.
Yeah,
anyway, the Ivany no fuck with me.
Just Nicholas. That's not pay
put in the comment section what you think about that. Obviously, Akeem them is not going to address Snow, Diddy, and Nicholas, as Ivany said. That's why, you know, he's on live with Rosalie again after all of this fiasco with, you know, his bro and Rosalie and Diamond. You see what I said? But figure it out, look like he's taking a different road. The sympathy road, you know, shedding tears and all of these things and things. You see what I said? So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and we'll proceed with the next.
Chat. Me I hold it, man, but sometimes, you see more while you not see tears a flow, bro. Just make it flow, dog. You never in my intentions to come over here and shed no tears and show nobody no weakness. But watch out now, we're a human being, you see it? We're a human being, dog. Stronger on that, man. I'm to one man, chat. Just believe me. Yeah, one thing me hate the most, you see that thing that named pity. Looking sorry for me, not do it, you know, bro. You see, anytime when you see me come over here and tears drop out of my eye, man, I must some blood clot pain me I go through that. It's all you know, pick from good people, brother. And when people trouble with no back of people, wrong for trouble with me. So they're not gonna like me, you know. I'm not stop defend myself, you know, because I'm not nobody for do it, you know. They're not gonna like me, because when I diss me, I diss them about. I'm not no crown for fix, bro. But I have an empire, I have a dream, I have a future. So I stay focused. Yeah, bro, I not have to be no king, dog. But I believe in an empire, and I believe in a family too. You see it? So I create my empire, and I create my family over here, so. Yeah, bro. Chat, power tap your screen for me, please. See me, chat? I don't want to dip on top, you know. I just want to come out to something when nobody never expect me can come out to. You see me? I don't want to be on top. I just want to prove to some people, say the same like a workless boy I want to think, say, could come out to nothing, I mean this, I do this. The top could have stayed. I just want to come out to something in our life so my son can have a father figure to look up to. No regrets, you know. Life is a learning process. Anything happen after a reason. But no regrets. Life is a learning process. No, just done it. You see it. Just done it. Everything happen for a reason. I just done it, man. I make peace rain upon it happy. You see what I say? I understand, so I know I pick up for me, I know I defend me, but what you know? No, too wrong to make a right. Not because them a cuss and a class meaning, so I don't have to do it. Though. Stay true to yourself. You see it? And me I tell you, and me I beg you. Stop it, man. You don't look good. Anyway you look upon it, you don't look good none at all. You see me? Respect for everybody who have my back and defend man till the very end. I respect you for that, but you not worth it. Too wrong, don't make a right. Because when people are no bumbuckler favorite, or when them wrong, them right for you. You hear that? Me I really out, bro. I me have to stay true to myself always. You see what I say? I saw me grow, brother. Me I go stay true to myself always. And you see if it gonna make people hate me, if it be myself, then so be it. Stand up for yourself. Make nobody take advantage of you, bro. Remember me telling you that. You understand? You see that thing that name pride everything. You see that thing that name pride as a man everything. Remember me telling you that. You say if you don't have pride in yourself as a man, you can't even call yourself a man, bro. You see me? I'm telling you something, ladies. So when God do things, bro, you want to stop cuss God. And ask God, why you do this to me? Don't cuss God. Allow God to do him, I do. You see it? Remember you're just man, you know. You don't really understand why you're not making fear. Stop cuss God and stop blame God for every bad thing that happen to you. And start telling him thanks instead. You're not going to know it until in the future when you see say everything was for a reason. You hear that? Bro, I humbly fuck dog, I'm not pretend. I'm not pretend none at all, bro. You see me? Me as a man, I just can't stand fuckery. I can't do it, bro. I cannot. You see me? You see when I say something wrong, I can't do that. I can't stand fuckery, dog. I don't go so. And I can't change my character to be a person I'm not. You see what I say? Yeah, bro, me humbly fuck and me stay silent. But you said me everything happen for a reason. Who for there, I go do there. Who not for there, just not go do there. You see it? And God I work, bro. To make God work, dog. And this whole thing I go on, bro, I do nothing but pray. And ask God to guide the way and lead the way for me. You see me? Yeah, bro. That's all I do for the whole thing I go on. Just kneel down on my bedside and pray. Draw from my Bible and read 2 Psalms. You see it? The whole situation drained me, you know. I cry real tears, you know, bro. Some things I go on in a dog. I'm say, you know what? I gotta show me sign, you know. And I gotta deal with some things, you know. Yeah, man, I cry real tears, bro. You see me? You see me say loyalty, dog. Loyalty, me say, you know. Till the very end, no matter what. You see it? Yeah, bro, so. I see some things go on, dog. Remember, we are human, you know. Sometimes it go break away. You see it? But apart of the process, life is a life.
Yeah. Anyway, people, I just did want to give you that quick update with Kizzy, Kiprich, and things. If anyone ever make a statement, we'll update on us. So do the right thing. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. And please like and share my video 1,000 times on our social media platforms. This is my say. Bless.